Parang ganyan sila gumagalaw, no? Wakan mo.
Gagalaw po yan.
Ang dami. Pag busog sila, ganyan.
Ganyan lang. Tahimik lang sila. Talaga nagpapapicture. Nagpapapicture sila. Wala ka. Tagang wala ka dyan.
Saan kayo?
Dito yung ina mo. Ito siya si... Ano nga? Saltwater crocodile. His name's Indo. Siya si Indo. Indo. Hi, Indo. Saltwater. Kakaiba yung kulay ng skin niya. Siya, ang name niya ay si Saltwater Crocodiles in the Pacific Crocodile Court is Portus. Habang sa mga crocodiles na yun. Siguro mga lambuan na to. Dami niya. Dami. Ang dami. Mas gusto ko si... This one. Freshwater crocodiles na.
Parang nakabulo, parang tatalong sa ng tunga.
Nag-aabang lang siya ng pagkakataon.
Maybe.
Pagpatanga-tanga. Ito yung isa. Uy, ang dami. Tumpukan sila. Bahib mo sila kasi busog eh. Busog naman sila.
So, here the crocodile farm, we breed the crocodiles for conservation and not for production. So, it means we are not allowed. Here's that all Philippine crocodiles here in the hatchling house, they are released back into the wild. So, that is the main purpose of this project. And all crocodile products, like for example, crocodile meat, crocodile sisig, and crocodile tapa, please take all the things that to fall inside the fence, especially your cell phones. Pakihawakan lang po ng mabuti. Okay? So let's proceed po. And everyone, drink water first.
Hindi man ganda. Ano ko yun? Laki niya.
Alright. So everyone, so welcome to the fence of the big crocodiles. First, big crocodile, everyone on your right side, so that is a clan. A clan is a male saltwater crocodile, approximately 16 to 17 years old and measuring of 16 feet. And we name Aklan because that crocodile is from province of Aklan. He was donated here in 1989. He is the old pet of former mayor in Capiz. So napadala po siya dito kasi hindi na siya kayang alagaan pa. And the next crocodile, everyone on the left side, so that is Marabahay from southern part of Palawan. Also approximately 30 to 40 years old and measuring of 14 feet. So that crocodile is from wild and we need to capture because he attacked and killed a native fisherman from the area. So nakapatay po siya ng isang mangingisda. But actually that crocodile is also a victim of human and crocodile conflict like Rio, skeleton in the lobby. Okay? And the next crocodile everyone in the third
Medyo mahihain
is the
siya.
longest and oldest crocodile here in the crocodile farm. So this crocodile we named Macna.
Uy!
Macna because he was captured in Barangay Macarascas, northern part of Puerto Princesa. So Macna, approximately 70 to 80 years old and measuring of 17 feet. So Macna is almost same size of Rio. And then, estimated weight of Macna, 600 kilograms.
Ipon.
So everyone, so for these all big crocodiles, we feed them 5 to 10 kilos of meat for 1 week. But we need to feed them only twice a week because the crocodile have a slow metabolism. And then we feed them fresh meat like pork, beef, chicken, and any kinds of fish. Kahit anong klaseng isda, pwede naman din po sa kanila. And the next crocodile everyone, so this is Calayan from breeding area. Also male saltwater crocodile, approximately 60 to 7 years old and measured of 15.9 feet long.
May crocodile pala siya ilalim. Pero hindi ko, ayun, laki niya.
Because when transferred here on June 12, 2018, the celebration of Philippine Independence Day or araw po ng kalayaan. And the reason why he did not transfer here from breeding area to viewing area was safety of other crocodiles. Kasi po, they have big chance na they can kill other crocodiles because of